Hey friends, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery. Today's Tuesday. You know what that means. Tutorial Tuesday.
Hey friends, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to do the double crochet through the back loop. And to do this, I just started with a chain of 10, I believe. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 stitches. And then I'm going to add an extra 2 for a double crochet. So to start this, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, count 3 chains back, turn it over, and I'm going to double crochet in that back bump. And if you don't know how to do the double crochet, there are another tutorial I did on how to do the double crochet on my channel that's a little slower than this. So I'm just going to whip through this really quickly and do a first row. You have to do kind of a prep row. So go ahead and grab your yarn and a crochet hook and follow along with me, and I will meet you guys back here in just a moment. Okay guys, so I got my first row or my prep row done for the double crochet through the back loop. So you just need to chain your number of stitches and plus 2 at the end for turning, and then have double crochet in the third chain and all the way across your row. And then when you get to the end, I am going to chain 2, and I'll turn my work. And if you turn your first work towards you here, I've got some soot or something in my yarn. I've got a really pretty candle going here. And so if you turn this towards you, you'll see these V stitches. They look like V's. So this is your front loop and this is your back loop. We're going to be working into the back loop. So you're going to yarn over, turn your work, and you have this V. I'm going to go into this back loop. So I stick my hook down in the middle of the chain, stick it out the back there, yarn over, pull through. So you should have 3 loops on your hook. I'm going to yarn over again and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And that is how you do the double crochet through the back loop. So again, turn your work, yarn over your hook, go into your stitch, out the back loop. You're going to yarn over and pull through. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So go ahead and get started on your second row, and I will meet you guys down at the end of this row. Okay guys, I'm coming down towards the end and I'm at my last stitch here. Now, as I said, I believe with my half double crochet through the back loop tutorial, you have a choice to make. So at the end of this, you can go through the back loop just like you have been throughout your row. But let me demonstrate. That will actually give you kind of, looks like you miss a stitch almost because it kind of puckers out. So what I like to do is I yarn over and I go under both loops for a regular double crochet. And then I will do my double crochet that way, just on that last stitch, because that makes your edges just a tad bit more straighter. And then you can always put a border of any kind on your blanket or scarf or whatever it is you're making to straighten the edges out. And that is it. That is how you do the double crochet through the back loop. If you guys have any questions or there's something you would like me to show you how to do or demonstrate, please comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am here for you every Monday and Tuesday. Mondays I post videos on knitting, and Tuesdays is crochet. So we will see you guys next week. Thanks for stopping by.